Are you looking to enhance your photo editing skills on your PC? Lightleap Mod APK has got you covered. This video will guide you through downloading and installing Lightleap Mod APK on your Windows, Mac, or Linux computer. Lightleap, formerly known as QuickShot, is a powerful photo editing app. The modded APK version offers premium features for free, making it a favorite among photography enthusiasts. Lightleap Mod APK provides advanced editing tools, unlimited filters and effects, batch editing capabilities, and a user-friendly interface, all without annoying ads. Let's dive into the system requirements before getting started. System requirements: Windows OS, Windows 7 Plus, processor, 2 GHz plus, RAM, 4 GB plus, storage, 500 MB plus Mac OS, Mac OS 10.12 plus, processor, Intel Core i5 plus, RAM, 4 GB plus, storage, 500 MB plus Linux OS, Ubuntu 16.04 plus, processor, 2 GHz plus, RAM, 4 GB plus, storage, 500 MB plus. How to download and install. Method 1. Using an emulator for Windows and Mac. Download and install BlueStacks or Nox Player. Sign in with your Google account. Download the Lightleap Mod APK from a trusted source. Drag and drop the APK file into the emulator to install it. For Linux, install Genemotion or Anbox. Set up your virtual device and install the APK as described above. Method 2. Using cloud services alternatively, you can use services like Vicer or AirDroid to connect your Android device to your PC and control it remotely. This method allows you to use the app on your PC screen without direct installation. Once Lightleap is installed on your PC, launch the app. You can import photos, apply advanced editing tools and filters, and save or export your edited images easily. Tips and tricks: experiment with different filters to achieve unique effects. Use batch editing to streamline your workflow. Make sure to keep the app updated for the latest features, and regularly back up your photos to avoid data loss. Using Lightleap Mod APK on your PC opens up a world of advanced photo editing capabilities. With the steps outlined in this video, you can start creating stunning photos today. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!